everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some dip powders from Nellie Belles, and these two colors here are also this week's Belle's Bundle, and I'm super excited to share these two colors with you. The first one is Awakening, which is a beautiful glitter. It's cram-packed full of fun and sparkle, and then we're going to be playing with Chloe, which is a beautiful shimmery light green, and it is perfect for that spring-summer season. We are going to be creating a set of press-ons for today's mani so you can really see these colors in action, and then we are going to be using dip liquids as well. So the first color that we're going to be diving into is that beautiful spring shimmery green, and we're going to be applying that to 4 nails, and then we're also going to be doing 1 glitter accent nail, but then we're going to bedazzle a nail full of that Awakening glitter on a nail that already has this beautiful green on it. Now you can see here when you are dipping into Chloe that it is very pigmented in full coverage. It is not patchy or anything like that at all. Check it out. It is stunning, and I really like how it has a beautiful subtle sparkle to it. It's like the perfect shimmer in here that really just helps this green even bring it more to life, and I just love it so much. Now these two colors are on sale this week as part of the Belle's Bundle, and you can get these two colors starting in sample size at 20% off. So you can get both of these at sample size for under $7. So that is a pretty awesome deal. You can also get this bundle in 0.25 ounce jars as well, and it would be about $12, which is even a fantastic deal, especially because this color Chloe that we're using right now is perfect for spring and summer. It is just the perfect light shimmery green, and it has like the perfect pop of brightness to it. So it's like not that overpowering neon green. It's just like the perfect undertone of brightness and shimmer, and I love it so much. So you can see here that 1 dip versus 2, so totally buildable. You can even do 3 dips if you want. And that glitter Awakening, you're gonna see that here in action in a few moments. It is stunning. It is cram-packed full of bright colors, and it even has some fun star shapes in there and hearts. So you're going to see that glitter Awakening here in action in just a few moments. So enough chit chat, let's dive into this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how fun is this mani? I love this combination so much between this beautiful green and the shimmer. It is everything to me right now, and I love it so much. I think it's just so fun and just a different take on a spring mani, and I really like how it has the star-shaped glitter in there and then those really pretty hearts. Overall, I just love how this turned out, and I think it's the perfect duo. So don't forget that this duo right here is part of the Belles bundle for the week, and it is on sale at that 20% off all the way until the 8th of April. So if you've been eyeing up these colors, now is the time. They are super fun. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you missed a video over the weekend, I am having a giveaway on my channel, so definitely check that out, and I'll see you in the next upload.